Here's a number most agency owners only find out about at the end of the month. For a typical 10-client agency, the real GoHighLevel bill lands around $400, not the $97 on the pricing page. And with the new AI features switched on everywhere, I've seen it pass $1,500. But here's the thing, none of that has to happen to you. Your GoHighLevel bill is one of the most controllable expenses in your entire agency if you know where the meters are and which settings to flip. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly where the money goes and the 5 levers that keep your invoice boring and predictable, including the one that turns usage from your biggest cost into a profit line your clients happily pay for. First, 60 seconds on how the bill is built, because once you see the structure, controlling it becomes obvious. Your subscription, $97, $297, or $497 a month, covers the software. Everything your agency actually does with it runs on 4 usage meters. Billed on top. Meter 1, email, about 68 cents per 1,000 cents. Meter 2, text messaging, a fraction of a cent per segment, plus carrier fees and A2P registration for every client sub-account. Meter 3, phone, calls per minute, numbers per month. And meter 4, the big one for 2026, the AI employee at $97 a month per enabled location, not per agency. None of these are scary on their own. They only bite when they run unwatched. So let's put honest numbers on it. A 10-client agency on the unlimited plan, real campaign volume, nothing exotic. $297 for the plan, about 30 in email, 60 in text and carrier fees, 20 in phone, and compliance fees across 10 registered sub-accounts. Real bill, a little over $400 a month. And if you flip on the AI employee for all 10 clients because the demo was impressive, that's $970 before a single text or phone minute, total $1,500 to $1,700 a month. Same platform, same clients. The only difference between $400 and $1,700 is whether anyone was steering. So let's steer. Lever 1, and it's the one that changes everything. Turn on rebilling. GoHighLevel has a built-in reselling system. You set a markup and your client's usage bills to them automatically, card on file, their emails, their texts, their AI minutes, billed to their wallet at your price. Flip this on and every meter we just talked about stops being your expense and becomes a margin line on your P&L. The agencies that get burned by usage bills are, almost without exception, the ones who never turn this on. Do it in week 1 for every sub-account before the first campaign ever sends. Lever 2, deploy the AI employee like an investment, not a default. At $97 per location, it's a phenomenal deal for a client whose phone actually rings. If it books even 2 extra appointments a month, it's paid for itself several times over. So turn it on for those clients, price it into their retainer at 2 or 3x, and it becomes your most profitable line item. Leave it off everywhere else. A blanket setting is how you hire an AI employee for 10 clients and put it on your own card. Lever 3, set the guardrails inside billing. Your wallet has an auto recharge setting. Set the threshold and the top-up amount deliberately so you decide what a normal month looks like. Then set usage alerts on top. 2 minutes of configuration and a runaway campaign texts you before it charges you. Lever 4, a 10-minute monthly review. Open the usage dashboard, sort by sub-account, and look for the outlier. The client whose list quality is burning your email reputation or whose workflows are quietly running premium actions. One bad sender on a shared system hurts everyone, and you'll catch it in month 1 instead of quarter 2. And lever 5, do the math before you onboard. You know the rates now: email, text, phone, AI. Run them against a new client's volume before you quote the retainer, and every client lands profitable on day 1. And here's the payoff. That same 10-client agency, buying the pieces separately, CRM, funnels, email platform, booking, texting, call tracking, review management, course hosting, pays $800 to over $1,000 a month before the hours spent duct taping it together. A controlled $400 bill with most of the usage rebilled to clients at a markup. That's not an expense problem. That's the best deal in the category running on autopilot with your name on the margin. So if you're going in, go in with the settings ready. The link below gets you the extended 30-day trial instead of 14, plus our bonus bundle, the quickstart bootcamp, the snapshot templates, and setup help that includes getting rebilling configured in week 1 so your very first invoice is the boring, predictable kind. And if this saved you a surprise at the end of the month, subscribe. Next video, I'm doing this exact playbook on the AI employee alone. See you there.